Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's live session. I'm truly glad you're here because what we're going to talk about today can genuinely change the way you think, act, and live. This session is designed to give you practical, real-life principles that you can apply immediately, no matter where you are starting from. Stay with me until the end because each chapter builds on the previous one and brings you closer to a stronger, more confident, and more successful version of yourself. Chapter 1. Setting Clear Life Goals. Chapter 1 is about setting clear and meaningful goals. Because without goals, life feels confusing and directionless. No matter how hard you work, goals act like a roadmap. They tell you where you're going and help you measure your progress along the way. When you set goals, make sure they are specific, realistic, and connected to something that truly matters to you personally. A clear goal gives your mind focus, your heart motivation, and your actions a sense of purpose. When your goals are clear, your decisions become easier, your energy becomes stronger, and your life starts moving in the right direction. Chapter 2. Developing a strong and positive mindset. Chapter 2 focuses on mindset because your mindset controls everything, your thoughts, your emotions, your decisions, and ultimately your results in life. A strong and positive mindset doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means believing that you can face and solve them. When challenges come, your mindset determines whether you give up or grow stronger through the experience. Train your mind to look for opportunities instead of obstacles, and to see lessons instead of failures. Over time, this mental shift will not only change how you think, but also how you live and lead your life. Chapter 3. Building self-discipline. Chapter 3 is about self-discipline, which is the bridge between goals and achievement. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline keeps you moving even on days when you don't feel like trying. Self-discipline means doing what needs to be done, even when it feels uncomfortable, boring, or difficult. Every time you practice discipline, you build trust in yourself and strengthen your character. Over time, this self-trust becomes one of your greatest strengths and helps you stay committed to your long-term vision. Chapter 4. Managing your time effectively. Chapter 4 is about time management, because time is the one resource you can never get back. Every successful person understands the value of time and uses it intentionally instead of wasting it on unimportant things. Instead of reacting to life, start planning your days with purpose and clarity. Prioritize what truly matters, eliminate unnecessary distractions, and protect your time like you would protect your money. When you control your time, you begin to control your future, your growth, and your peace of mind. Chapter 5. Committing to lifelong learning. Chapter 5 is about learning, because growth stops the moment you stop learning. The world is changing fast, and the people who succeed are those who continue to improve their skills, knowledge, and thinking. Learning doesn't only come from books or classrooms. It comes from experiences, mistakes, feedback, and conversations. Make learning a daily habit, even if it's just a few minutes a day. When you commit to lifelong learning, you stay adaptable, confident, and ready for new opportunities. Chapter 6. Taking full responsibility for your life. Chapter 6 focuses on responsibility, which is the foundation of personal power. Taking responsibility means accepting that your life is shaped by your choices, not by luck, fate, or other people. When you stop blaming and start owning your actions, you gain control over your situation. Responsibility is not about guilt or pressure. It's about freedom and growth. The moment you take full responsibility, you take the first real step toward building the life you truly want. Chapter 7. Staying focused in a distracted world. Chapter 7 is about focus, which has become one of the most valuable skills in today's fast and distracted world. Notifications, social media, stress, and noise constantly pull your attention in different directions. Focus means giving your full attention to one task at a time, with clarity, intention, and discipline. When you learn to focus deeply, your productivity increases, your work quality improves, and your confidence grows naturally. Focused effort creates powerful results that scattered effort never can. Chapter 8. Controlling your emotions. Chapter 8 is about emotional control, because emotions are powerful and can either support you or sabotage you. Emotional control does not mean suppressing your feelings. It means understanding them and responding wisely instead of reacting impulsively. When you stay calm under pressure, you make better decisions and protect your mental peace. Emotional intelligence helps you communicate better, handle conflict wisely, and build stronger relationships. Learning to manage your emotions is one of the most important skills for long-term success. Chapter 9. Building true confidence. Chapter 9 is about confidence, not the fake confidence that comes from pretending, but the real confidence that comes from self-respect and consistency. True confidence is built when you keep your promises to yourself, even the small ones. Each time you follow through on your commitments, your self-belief becomes stronger. Over time, this inner confidence reflects in your voice, your posture, your decisions, and your leadership. Confidence is not about being perfect. It's about trusting yourself. Chapter 10. Choosing the right environment. Chapter 10 focuses on your environment because your surroundings shape your mindset and behavior more than you realize. The people you spend time with, the content you consume, and the places you stay in all influence your thinking and habits. If you surround yourself with negativity, your energy drops, but if you surround yourself with growth, your potential rises. Choose people who encourage progress, honesty, and positivity. When your environment supports your goals, success becomes much easier and more natural. Chapter 11. Facing your fears with courage. Chapter 11 is about fear, which is one of the biggest barriers to success and growth. Fear doesn't disappear by waiting. It disappears by facing it step by step. Every time you step outside your comfort zone, your confidence grows and your fear shrinks. Courage is not the absence of fear. It is the decision to move forward despite fear. Each brave step you take brings you closer to your true potential and your strongest self. Chapter 12, Practicing Consistency Daily. Chapter 12 focuses on consistency, which is the secret behind long-term success. Small actions, when repeated daily, create powerful results over time. Consistency builds momentum, and momentum makes progress easier and more enjoyable. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent. Show up every day, do your best, and trust that steady effort will eventually bring great outcomes. Consistency turns ordinary actions into extraordinary achievements. Chapter 13, Developing Patience and Trusting the Process. Chapter 13 is about patience. In a world that wants instant results, patience has become a rare and valuable quality. Real success takes time, effort, and persistence, and there will be moments when progress feels slow. When things don't work out immediately, it doesn't mean you are failing, it means you are growing. Trust the process, stay committed, and understand that every delay is preparing you for something better. Patience strengthens your character and protects your motivation. Chapter 14, Never Giving Up on Yourself. Chapter 14 is about persistence and never giving up on yourself. Life will test you with challenges, failures, and setbacks, but giving up is never the solution. Every successful person has faced moments where quitting felt easier than continuing. What separates winners from others is the decision to keep going. When you refuse to quit, you give yourself another chance to succeed. Persistence turns temporary failure into long-term victory. Chapter 15, Improving Your Communication Skills. Chapter 15 focuses on communication, because how you speak shapes how people see you and how opportunities come to you. Clear communication builds trust, respect, and strong relationships. When you learn to express your thoughts calmly and confidently, people listen to you more seriously. Good communication also helps you avoid misunderstandings and resolve conflicts peacefully. Improving your communication skills can open doors in both your personal and professional life. Chapter 16, Taking Care of Your Physical and Mental Health. Chapter 16 is about health, because your body and mind are the foundation of everything you do. Without good health, even the best goals become difficult to achieve. Taking care of your health means eating well, sleeping properly, exercising regularly, and managing stress wisely. Your mental health is just as important as your physical health. When your body and mind are strong, your energy increases, your focus improves, and your life becomes more balanced. Chapter 17, Managing Your Finances Wisely. Chapter 17 focuses on money management, because financial stress can affect every area of your life. Managing your finances wisely means living within your means, saving regularly, and spending intentionally. Money should be a tool, not a source of fear or control. When you understand how to manage your money, you gain freedom, security, and peace of mind. Financial discipline today creates financial stability tomorrow. Chapter 18, Practicing Gratitude Every Day. Chapter 18 is about gratitude, which has the power to change your mindset and emotional state instantly. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have. When you practice gratitude daily, your stress decreases, your happiness increases, and your relationships improve. Gratitude does not mean settling for less. It means appreciating what you have while working toward more. A grateful heart attracts positive energy and stronger connections. Chapter 19, Committing to Personal Growth. Chapter 19 focuses on continuous personal growth, because growth is a lifelong journey, not a one-time event. Every day gives you a new opportunity to become better than you were yesterday. Personal growth means improving your habits, your thinking, your skills, and your character. It also means being honest with yourself and willing to change when necessary. When you commit to growth, you commit to a better future for yourself and those around you. Chapter 20, Creating a Positive Impact on Others. Chapter 20 is about impact, because true success is not just about what you achieve for yourself, but also about how you influence others. When you use your knowledge, skills, and resources to help others, your life gains deeper meaning. Positive impact creates respect, legacy, and lasting fulfillment. Success becomes truly powerful when it uplifts not only you, but also the people around you. The greatest success is a life that improves other lives. Final closing, thank you so much for staying with me throughout this entire live session. I truly appreciate your time, your attention, and your willingness to grow. If you found value in today's session, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs this message. Stay focused, stay disciplined, stay grateful, and I'll see you in the next live session.